In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue of WhatsApp calls not ringing on your iPhone. Many users have experienced this problem, where they are not receiving any notification for incoming WhatsApp calls. But there are a few simple steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve it. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. Tap Background App Refresh. Tap on it again. And then tap and select this option: Wi-Fi and cellular data. Once you've done that, go back to the main settings page and scroll down until you find WhatsApp. Tap on it. After that, tap Notifications. And then toggle on the switch next to the Allow Notifications option. And then tap where it says Show Previews. Set this to Always. And then go back and toggle on the switch next to the Sounds option. If that doesn't work, try restarting your iPhone or resetting network settings. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear up any temporary glitches causing the issue. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.